Muslim who knows his stuff. Clearly not this fellow, he is hiding. He is terrified right now. If he turns around right now, I'll have a very intelligent conversation with him. But he knows he'll be debunked. That's why he's terrified he won't turn around.
Sorry? No, I'm from that whatever. Like, I just...
He could not even pull himself together to ask a Christian, please can you move away? This is what Islam does.
I wait till 16, she can move to my house. Yes, everyone. Yes.
How exactly? How did I disrespect you?
Yes.
Did I disrespect you? You're a Muslim, sir?
So he can marry her when she was.
How do you disrespect Muslims? I don't speak English well.
Yes.
You don't speak English well. At least that's slightly better. At least acceptable. Even though I completely understand you speak English, likely. Hey, Mr. Fontaine, please come here. You and your Dawa fellows, where have you been hiding?
Come over here, lad. Hamza Junior.
Maybe we should.
Hamza Junior.
No. He's hiding behind his beard all day long. Hello, my dear friend. Is there any Muslim Dawa Mafia gang here?
You.
I understand. Dog, confused.
That's why Jesus called you dog.
Any Muslim who knows his stuff, clearly not this fellow, he is hiding. He is terrified right now. He is even reconsidering. He is wondering if he should leave Islam at least temporarily.
Because they know they will not do nothing.
Oh, lions don't bark back, I completely understand. I am talking about you guys. Why are you confused? Why do you talk about lions when I am talking about you? Hello, Mr. John.
Hey, stay away from me.
I'm staying away.
away from me.
I should have known. Sure. The stench is severe. Back. Thank you. Thank you for the warning. Thank you.
Away.
Yeah, sure.
2 meters.
2 meter, yeah.
Yes.
In your case, it must be 2 meter. I completely agree. All right, Mr. John, don't be terrified.
John, stay away.
I know your glasses aren't helping you. I'm not speaking to you. Hey, John. Hello, John. Don't be terrified. You might get a neck ache when you go back home. Don't, please. Relax. Turn around a little bit. Too much stress. Can you imagine? Hey, I'm here. Mr. John. Mr. Fontaine. You are deep in thought. Hello?
Stay away from me.
Oh, from you, 2 meters already. Thank you. Thank you much. Mr. Fontaine, don't be stressed too much. Hello, Mr. Fontaine. Does Fontaine have a hearing issue? Hello? Hello, Mr. All Ham to Allah. So clearly, Mr. Fontaine has hearing issues. I'm here. Mr. Fontaine, don't get stuck. Hey, he can hear me. This gentleman can hear me. How exactly just Mr. Fontaine can't hear me? How is this?
Arul, please.
Please, you're now pleading. It sounds like Islamic Allah pleading.
One more.
Sure.
Okay, take care.
Thank you.
Jesus called you dog because
Yeah, don't.
now just barking.
Stop what?
Barking like a dog.
No, barking like a dog. Thank you. You know, you have seen too much of Muhammad Jihad. Too much of Muhammad Jihad will make you come and talk about dogs and barking. Don't do that. Please don't look at Muhammad Jihad too much. So, Mr. Fontaine, I'll let you know. I'm moving away right now. Please relax a little bit. Turn around. Have some time turning around.
I'm the Messiah.
Sure.
Looks
Lovely.
like it.
I am the Messiah.
All right. Any Muslim fellows?
So I'm still here, and you told me don't come here.
You will be here forever.
Yes, straight you won't. We don't know. You might die tomorrow.
Never.
I'm giving away.
Don't give away Pakistan.
It's a beggar.
Give away Pakistan. Give away Sudan.
There
Don't
is a
away.
beggar. There is a beggar. Stupid, isn't it, Sadi?
How's it going, Bobby? You alright?
I'm giving people. You say you're begging. Look at that. Mentality. Shit mentality.
Oh,
This
so it's not
mindset.
wrong.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, bro.
Are you? Anyone here knows Quran?
Shut up.
I know David would know Quran. Do these people know Quran?
My fat boy who can stand. Ask him. He knows the Quran very well.
He knows the Quran. Rehan, you seem to. Please come here. Let's at least have a starting conversation. Please. It's either these fellows who are clowns, or you guys are sitting somewhere. Sure. We'll come back later. We'll go to. Brother, we'll go to. We'll go to Seesaw. He's playing too much in kids' parks.
Sorry, bro.
It's alright.
Sorry, man.
You're terrified already. Don't be terrified. With me? I've been dealing with Islam. That's what's wrong with me. Maybe. Say again.
What's your question?
Question of the day is, why is he showing up at Speaker's Corner? That's my question. Are you Muslim yourself?
I'm not going to say anything.
You're not going to. But don't be a Muslim. Even if you're a Muslim so far, leave Islam. Islam is nasty. One of the worst that could happen to women, for example, Islam. One of the worst. If you're a Muslim, I can give you some information.
Okay, I don't feel the need to that. I mean, I just feel like people should believe what they want to believe. There's no.
No. Would you want me to be a Al Qaeda terrorist?
I am not interested. Like, you guys, you can debate with whoever. I'm just here to like observe. Sorry. Yeah.
Lovely. But can I please give you my card if you don't want a public conversation?
Also, like, what's your belief?
I'm a Christian.
Okay.
And
So what's your thing about? Do you not want to? As in, I'm just coming from like a third-person perspective. Would you not just want to like respect other people's faiths and stuff?
I don't.
Like, as in, you seem very anti-Islam. Would you not just want to like respect other people's faiths?
I'll be very clear. Sorry.
As in, like, not for the camera. I just mean like from personal conversation.
For me, it's clear. I don't respect Osama bin Laden's faith. I don't. I don't respect al-Baghdadi, the chieftain who passed away.
But then you can see there's also Christian extremists as well, right? I would then blame Christianity for that. I'd blame the extremists for that.
Sure. And this is exactly where I go to the Quran. Every time I have a conversation, I speak from the Quran. The Seesaw fellow, he doesn't know the Quran, or he knows the Quran and he knows how to sugarcoat the Quran. But I know the Quran, I read it, and any conversation I have, even the point I made about women, is from the Quran. And so there are people who are not following Islam properly, who are the mellow Muslims, who don't want to kill, who don't want to do nasty things to Muslim women. They are the extremists in Islam. They don't belong to Islam. They're not at the center, they are at the verges.
So you're saying the extremists. Wait, are you saying that the extremists are following Islam and everyone that's not?
In Islam, if I use the term extremist to refer to someone who is at the extreme,
You mean the people that are following the book as the book says? Is that what you're saying?
yeah, people who follow the book as the book says are Osama bin Laden.
Okay, so you think they're actually following?
Seesaw behind. Today he shows up like this. When he goes back home, he does terrible things to women and stuff. And other mafia gang members do that. Many others do. But people who genuinely, for example, if you're from a Muslim family, if you've had a loving father, then most likely he didn't follow the Quran. So he would be an extremist in the sense of being at an extremity, not at the center of Islam. He's sort of a...
Like he's on the other end of not.
He is at the outskirts. He doesn't belong in Islam. If people such as Seesaw get power tomorrow, he will chop the heads of those peaceful Muslims. You see what I'm saying? But the fundamental Muslims are people such as him, who lie, gaslight big time as they show up here at Speaker's Corner. When they go back home, they plan. Look, don't do.
In front of him,
Sure.
not behind his back.
Ask him to turn around. I am waiting for him.
He's engaging with someone.
And don't do it. I'm not wasting my time just because he's busy.
About him.
Stay quiet, Mr. Columbia. Don't be angry.
Are you being racist?
Who, Mr. Columbia? Why? Is he?
Go from there anyways.
No, I'm talking. You clearly are confused. I'm talking about your brand. So you have ear issues, earwax. I'll recommend some specific earwax solution. If you have ear pain, we'll help you. Do you see what I'm saying? But when it comes to Christianity, the ones who are terrible, even if they go by the name Christian, are really the extremists. They're not at the center. if you read the Bible, New Testament, you would become a very loving person, a very tolerant person, a person who will be interested in critiquing, hearing, and
How would you explain people that say are converted to Islam, people that follow Islam, but then they feel more love in their hearts and they feel like their lives more calm, and that's through because they find Islam or any religion for that matter. To be
I'll tell you
honest, like they just find God, you know, like when people find God through
You
whatever
can't talk about
religion
new
or
converts.
place. Sorry, no, I'm talking about whatever. Like I just
Our
mean,
camera is here. Come on, we get active. You came here our place, okay?
Look, hey, look.
Come on.
Look. Our camera, you could request I can move. You can just request I can move.
Go, move here.
But just because you can't, you don't have mouth to speak good stuff because you're a Muslim. You see, as a Muslim, did you see that? He is a Muslim Dawa fellow. Can you see? He could not even pull himself together to ask a Christian, a non-Muslim, please can you move away? He wasn't here when I came. And what did he say? You cow worshipper. So all that he could do is terrible thing. This is what Islam does. If you, of course you're not a Muslim, but this is what Islam does. 1, 2, 3, 5, maybe 5 or 10 cameras here, maybe 20 cameras all together. I can tell you, I know most of them. Most of these fellows are exactly the same, including this fellow, Seesaw.
can I ask you a question? Why do you think you're different to everyone else around?
I am a Christian.
No, but I mean in terms of like the way they're preaching, the way they're saying. Why
I'm
do you
not talking
think
about the
you're
way I'm
different?
preaching.
Yeah.
Look, I engage in robust conversation.
Yeah. So do
I
you not
invite-
think everyone else does?
No, I invite Muslims to engage in a robust conversation.
Okay.
But coming and pushing and saying you're a cow worshipper and therefore I won't speak to you is not, having a robust conversation. That's having animosity and hatred. I, on the other hand,
Do you think you don't have any animosity and hatred
I
towards
have
Islam?
nothing. This is why I call him Seesaw. I come to him every week. This fellow. He does not have, if he turns around right now, I'll have a very intelligent conversation with him. But he knows he'll be debunked. That's why he's terrified he won't turn around.
I mean, he's in a conversation, so I don't think that's.
No, okay. Once the conversation is over.
Literal of what's happening.
Once the conversation is over, see what he does. He is terrified. And he has his informants. Terrified, but later. But please get in touch.